Hello and good morning. Today, let us look at Rishabharash or the Taurus Rashi. Taurus is a fixed earthy sign with the bull as a symbol and Venus as its lord. It is the second house from the Kala Purusha, and the nakshatras are Kritika, Rohini and Mrigashira. Now, let us look at the main traits of Rishabharashi or the Taurus Rashi natives. They will have a big face. The native will have plump body, middle to moderate stature, broad cheekbones, strong forehead, broad cheekbones, prominent lips, cheeks, nose, thick hair, good hair, thick and good hair, a little stoutish neck or a thick neck, bright eyes, very bright eyes with a mole on the face, back or necks. They are always well-to-do and will have all kinds of material comforts. They will own landed properties and vehicles. The motive of the Taurus natives is karma, which is earn of material wealth and fulfill all their desires. We have to remember that the Venus is the second most benefic and is the lord of the second house and a karaka for material wealth. In numerology, Venus represents 6, which would be show the mirror. I mean, it's an inverted 6 if you would try and look at it in that way. It's considered to show you the mirror as to who you are. Those born under 6, 15 and 24 will come under the influence of Venus. They will be beautiful, intelligent and stubborn. Now let us look at their positive qualities or positive traits. Natives are determined, have a good concentration and patience. Self is more important, very practical, strong memory and passionate in nature. The natives have a pleasant temper. They usually have a plan and they try to make the plan happen. Let us look at the negative traits of Taurus or Rishabharashi natives. Cannot be pushed to too much as they are stubborn and show their bull-like attitude. They will give too much importance to themselves. It is always about I, me, myself. They find it difficult that when their plans fall due to external forces beyond their control, like now we have the corona, it's beyond the control of any Taurus or any Vrishabha native, but he cannot or she cannot understand that, or they cannot understand that things can go wrong for them, and they generally, we have seen that they could go into depression. And we have to remember here that moon is extraordinarily strong. Let's look at education and career. The native can take any field of his choice or her choice. They are very good with numbers. Therefore, mathematics would be a strong point. They can really play with numbers. We have seen that there are engineers, doctors, writers, athletes, beauty contests, models, um, actors and models, script writers, directors, accountants, since they are very hardworking and they excel in any field. The Taurus Rashi natives have the capacity to pick up any subject of their choice and excel in it. When it comes to career, Rishabha Taurus natives are hardworking, industrious. They are respected by their peers. They are admired by their subordinates. They are very productive. They expect their subordinates to also be as productive as they are. Generally, in today's world, career is according to your education. Marriage and love life, Vrishabha Taurus natives are having only one partners, or they will marry only once. They need partners who will what is called pamper their egos and keep them calm, have the ability to show them that they can be wrong. Since Taurus natives are strong-willed, the stubbornness is can be considered also as a strong will. If the partner is exactly like them, having strong wills, then there will be clashes. It is best to take partners from Kanya, Makara or Meena Rashis. Kanya, Makara and Meena Rashis are more softer and will know how to go about the stubbornness or the strong-willed native of the Vrishabha natives. Now, we should definitely avoid Vrishchika because Vrishchika will be a photocopy of ourselves. Now, Vrishabha native should avoid going into any type of business partnership, because their partners who will agree with them is equally strong-willed, and when there is a what is called a misunderstanding between the two, there will be huge clashes. So we have observed that Vrishabha natives are extraordinarily hardworking natives. Now let us look at the numerical numbers. Sorry, I forgot wealth and properties. Wealth and properties, I thought it would have understood that the Vrishabha natives will amass properties. There will be a lot of flow of wealth, and there will be no shortage of material and emotional gains, because in the first point itself, I had mentioned that Shukra is the Karaka for material wealth. Therefore, any Vrishabha native worth their salt will have enough and more material wealth. Now, challenges, health issues the natives will have would be sore throat or throat soreness. They would have fevers, off and on fevers, cold, irregular menses, and obesity. See, Venus being in the second house and the lord of the second house, and a pure benefic would not prevent the Vrishabha natives from eating, right? They would love to eat. And the second thought process is that they like cold stuff. Because Venus and moon combination, they like cold stuff. And because they like cold stuff, they generally get into sore throatness, cold, cough. Now, irregular menses is due to the aspect on Scorpio, moon aspecting Scorpio. Scorpio is a point of negativity for most females, where we look at irregular menses. Obesity is definitely given. Now, what are the challenges, or what are the things that the Vrishabha native should try to change within themselves? Vrishabha natives are stubborn beyond reason, and they can become their downfall, and that can become their downfall. The feeling among the teachers, close ones, bosses, juniors will have this feeling there's no point in talking to such natives. They have to control their stubbornness, accept others' ideas and approaches, so that they will be able to mold themselves into better people than what they are. They have to focus on this and change this attitude, which will go a long way in their relationship. Children of Rishabha natives should be made to understand that stubbornness on or inflexibility will not give them progress, or will progress them to a certain extent and will not go beyond that. If you really want to have the position which Venus deserves, you got to change this small parameter. Let us look at the nakshatras which fall in Rishabha. The nakshatras are Kritika, Rohini, and Mrigashirsha. Now, Kritika, we said, is the razor star, a lady who can accomplish anything. Here, the nakshatra loses its vigorous power because the sun comes in contact. Kritika is represents sun comes in contact with Venus being the lord of the house. That means to say there is an influence of three planets, sun, moon, and Venus. Moon is posted on Kritika nakshatra, therefore the sun comes into play, and Venus is the lord of the Rashi where Kritika is posted. Therefore, the vigorousness or the brightness or the brilliance which we see in Aries is lost in Taurus, and it comes out with a very unique combination of beauty, elegance, grace that is a making of great artists. They carry with them a passionate, aggressive personality. They are passionate, they are aggressive, and they have a strong personality. Kritika natives are more of karma or desire oriented, brilliant in appearance, strong in purpose and determination. Now, Rohini is the red cow or the red one or the red cow or the growing one. This nakshatra gives natives the creativities of fine arts. We always say a Venus-Moon combination is a combination or a chemistry that is magical in terms of music, drama, dance. It is a God-given gift. The native may not have done any study on these subjects, but he may excel or she may excel in these subjects. Now, looking, therefore, they have this gift which associated with a lovely appearance, a very balanced mind, and the gift of music, drama, and dance gives a successful career and good health. That is one of the greatest things of Rohini. You have to understand that the moon exalts in Rohini, and it is right in the middle of the VRISHAB Rashi, and moon Venus combination is what we are seeing over here. Now, Mrigashirsha is the deer head or face of the deer. It is called the searching star, the beginning of a search, but there is no end. Vrishabha is divided into two equal parts in Vrishabha, rather Mrigashirsha is divided into two equal parts, that is in Vrishabha and Mithuna, Taurus and Gemini. Mrigashirsha in Vrishabha Taurus is a Mars, Venus, Moon combination. This nakshatra gives a native a very delicate look and a strong desire, a passion with goal. They look so pretty, they look so delicate. Nobody would believe that they have this much of a desire and this much of passion with a goal, and they will continue to seek that elusive pleasure. Bipin Bihari has mentioned a phase under Mrigashirsha that seeking comfort and pleasure in life is a sort of chasing a golden deer, is absolutely apt for Mrigashirsha Nakshatra in Taurus. Now let us look at the lucky numbers, lucky dates, and the deity. Natives born under Vrishabha Rashi, the number is 6. The natives born under 6, 15, 24 come under Vrishabha Rashi. The lucky numbers are 6, 15 and 24 along with the dates that are divisible by 3. Lucky color is white, as in a brilliant white. But to be honest, Vrishabha natives can wear any color. It will suit them and it would not give them a negativity. Lucky day is Friday and Wednesday. That is Mata Rani. Friday is Venus's day. Wednesday is Mercury day, which are best of friends. But the rest of the days are medium. The lucky gem is diamond Vajra, and the lucky deity is Mahalakshmi. The lucky deity is Mahalakshmi, and the prayer for Mahalakshmi is Mahalakshmi Ashtakam, which is Namaste Stu Mahamaye Shri Pite Surapujite Shank Chakragadahaste Mahalakshmi Namostate. I have given the description link of the video, YouTube video below in my description box. I have referred to Dr. Krishna Kumar's book on stellar astrologies, and David Fall White. No, sorry, David Hen David Fall White. No, Dennis Harness. I have referred the book of Mr. David Dennis Harness for Nakshatras, the Lunar Mansion, and I have used Dr. Krishna Kumar's book Stellar Astrology for the above description. I hope this video has been useful. Do like, share, subscribe, and follow me at G3 Astro. Signing off, Gayatri. Have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.